Hey there, home comfort warriors. I'm Bianca Miranda, and today we're diving into the world of HVAC installation in Boca Raton, where finding the right contractor can feel like hunting for treasure in a sea of vague quotes and promises. Listen up, folks. After reviewing dozens of local companies and talking with homeowners who've been there, done that, I'm about to drop some serious knowledge about getting quality installation without emptying your bank account. Here's the real tea. Expect to pay between $5,500 and $9,000 for a proper installation in Boca. Now, I see you clutching your chest, but hold up. Let me tell you why this range matters. Plot twist alert. The cheapest quote often leads to the most expensive headaches. Let me paint you a picture. We recently spoke with Lisa in Boca Square, who did it right. She got 3 quotes, verified licenses, and chose a mid-priced installer with solid warranties. The result? Energy bills dropped 18%. And her system's running like a dream. Now that's what I call a win. But then there's Derek. Oh, Derek. He went with the lowest bid from an unlicensed installer he found on social media. Would you look at that? 6 weeks later, his system failed, the warranty was void, and he's out over $7,000 for a complete redo. Been there, seen that way too many times. Here's where things get spicy. Licensed contractors in Boca Raton can save you up to 15% annually on energy costs with proper installation. That's not just numbers, people. That's real money staying in your pocket. Pro tip coming your way. The sweet spot for installation timing? Early spring or late fall. You'll dodge peak season pricing and might snag some juicy manufacturer rebates. Before we wrap this up, remember this golden nugget. Choose value, not just price. A quality installation from a licensed pro isn't just an expense. It's an investment in your home's comfort and your wallet's future. This has been Bianca Miranda with HVAC Clarity, clear solutions for home comfort. Until next time, you can discover more HVAC morsels at hvaclarity.com.